Hello guys, good morning. How you doing? I hope you're having a good day. Today we are going to be working with grammar. Today we're going to have a grammar class. Today is March the 30th, 2020, and I hope you're fine. I hope you're at home doing all these exercises we're supposed to be doing. And as you can see on the screen, there is a shark because today we're going to be working with grammar sharks. Well, you will get to see in the video. So let's see. Today we're going to be working with TOEFL preparation, as I said, and the grammar that we're going to be checking is pronoun reference, in which we are going to be using it in the exam. It's a very important part in the exam. We have already checked this part before, and today we're going to remember specific points that are going to be essential for the exam. So, pronoun reference. As you can see, can I say just she, or do I have to say, I use the name of one of our friends, Farley. I hope you're having a good time, Farley, and everybody as well. So let's see. This presentation covers identifying unclear pronoun reference and selecting the appropriate correction. A pronoun reference item or an objective test might look like this. Look, this is an example. Brian told his lab partner Greg that he needed safety goggles for the experiment. And we have four letters, A, B, C, and D. And we have A, there, B, Craig, C, it, or D, no change is necessary. So what you have to do is that you have to check what part needs to be changed. As you can see over there, we have three options or a fourth one where no change is necessary. So tell me, is his, he, or the experiment a problem? Take a few seconds, decide if it's okay. The answer is B. Craig, he is an ambiguous pronoun. So which option B corrects? You have to be careful when there's two or more people or the same gender. Another example. Martin complained that Brad that he did not have the right answers to the algebra problems. So is Martin complaining about his own lack of math skill or Brad's? It's kind of ambiguous again. So we have to be very specific. Of course, in the exam, there is not going to be any problem. But right now, we really have to identify whether it is right or wrong. That's the main objective. In this case, Martin, Brad. If you don't like the repetition of the names, you can add a quotation like this. Martin complained to Brad, I don't have the right answers to the algebra problems. It's just a recommendation, okay? Martin complained to Brad, you do not have the right answers to the algebra problems, just to be a little bit more specific. So they can also be ambiguous. Look, our garden has not attracted many bees this year. They say that these insects are disappearing all over the country. They who? Psychics, astrologers, or a respectable source like entomologists. Scientists say, so we have to be very clear, we're very specific that they refers to scientists. Goodbye, B. It is also ambiguous, and when we use it in the test, we have to be very specific, especially in the writing test. It says on the news that we can expect rain later today. What says? A newscaster, the weatherman, a Doppler radar. Tontary channel Nine's chief meteorologist says the blah blah blah. So we have to be very specific. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. Item 1, we decided to swim in the hotel pool since it says at the lifeguard stand that sharks are feeding near shore. And we have 4 letters, A, B, C, or D, where no change is necessary. The answer is A, it says. We have to be very specific that it's the lifeguard says, no it. And one more. The doctor told Veronica that she had headaches because of the high stress level at the office. An aspirin will help the headaches a little, but a vacation would relieve the stress best. And we have A, Dr. Lee, B, Veronica, C, it or no change is necessary. Where do you see the error? Take a few seconds. Doctor, she, or it. Obviously, it's she. Where it's B, it's Veronica. Okay, so with this, we have a little reflection. We really have to be very careful on how we use our pronouns, especially in the writing part and the speaking, obviously, because those are going to be the 2 parts where you're going to be using pronouns reference. So I wish you a very nice day, and this class was shark grammar, and if we don't pay attention, we're going to be devoured by the sharks. Have a very nice day and keep safe. Goodbye. Don't forget to do the activities that we have in Google Classroom.